nigga TOOSIE. Go follow this motherfucker before I smack the shit out your ass.
Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. I'm chilling with TOOSIE. Go like, comment, and subscribe to
Chilling with TOOSIE.
Say, hey look y'all, go check out my main page. Stay nap. Hey y'all, this is Hotboii, Hail Mary. This is an artist from Florida. I mean, yeah, he from Florida, Orlando. I mess with Hotboii. Filmed while on the run. Alright, so I mean, by the title, I mean, I automatically thought of Tupac when I saw Hail Mary, but I didn't think he was gonna have nothing to do with Tupac. And then he got the little Tupac little clip right here. R.I.P. Pop. Okay, 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 alright, alright, alright. Hold on. Hot. Hold on. Hot. Hold on. I ain't even want. I just gotta put my shit just cause I gotta go back to this. These niggas just hold on. I don't even want my shit. How I look. Hold on. He just. Hold on. Hey. Hey man, these rappers are talented from Florida, and I'm not just saying that. A lot of rappers are talented from Florida that I listen to, like, and I just said I hope we stay out of trouble, but look, shut the fuck up, TOOSIE. Yeah. Would you not for a nigga though? Yeah. Real. Calling every bitches. Ain't half of bitches. Yeah. Got the McQueens on. I'm fucking with this. I'm finna blast this in my car. Let's see how this sounds. Hold on. This boy Hot just snapped. He just snapped. That was nice. That was nice. So I didn't think he was gonna come and do it like that though. I thought it was just gonna be a little something. I didn't think he was gonna snap like that. I ain't gonna fake it. that just came out yesterday, 22 hours ago. Hold on. I ain't even subscribed to Hot. I gotta subscribe to him just because of that, and I got it like that just because of that. He did his thing on that. I ain't gonna fake it. That's in rotation. That's the W. Nap. I approve it. I approve it. Y'all go check that out. Hotboii. Getting that money. But hey, go check that out though.
Jumping like two.
Shit not right, but I can't complain though. Happy to be here, I'm forever grateful. Numbers in the ground, man, this shit's so painful. Say my prayers.